Dayforce Wallet is a digital wallet feature in the Dayforce mobile app that gives employees instant access to earned wages before payday. It's available to most employees whose employer enables it. No credit check required. Key features and how to use it. Download and log. Install the Dayforce app. Log in with your Dayforce credentials, same as your employee portal. Activate Dayforce Wallet. In the app, go to the Wallet or Pay tab. If eligible, you'll see an option to activate Wallet. Link a debit card, Visa or MasterCard, or bank account for transfers. Takes 1 to 2 minutes. Check available balance. The app shows your earned but unpaid wages in real time, updated after each shift, clock out. Example, if you've earned $500 this pay period, up to 100% may be available. Limit varies by employer. Transfer money. Instant to debit card. Transfer to your linked debit card. Usually 1 to 2% fee. Funds in minutes. Free to bank account. Standard ACH transfer. 1 to 3 business days. No fee. Tap transfer. Choose amount. Select destination. Confirm. Use the virtual card. Some employers offer a virtual Visa card in the app for direct spending, online, in-store, without transferring first.